Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're building your dream gaming PC and want the perfect case to show it off, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best mid-tower PC gaming cases you can get right now. Let's dive straight in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Nzxt H7 Elite mid-tower PC gaming case. The Nzxt H7 Elite mid-tower PC gaming case is designed to meet the needs of gamers and PC enthusiasts who prioritize both performance and aesthetics. It comes equipped with built-in RGB lighting, featuring 3 pre-installed F140 RGB core fans and an RGB controller, offering users the ability to customize their lighting experience right out of the box. This feature ensures that the case can easily fit into any gaming setup, creating an impressive visual appeal. Cooling is a key consideration in high-performance gaming PCs, and the H7 Elite offers robust support in this area. It provides ample space for up to a 360mm radiator in both the top and front panels, along with 3 140mm fans in the front and a 140mm fan at the rear. This configuration ensures efficient airflow and cooling, allowing for better system performance and temperature control during demanding gaming sessions. When it comes to accommodating high-end graphics cards, the Nzxt H7 Elite is ready for performance. It offers a 400mm clearance, making it compatible with most NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards, allowing gamers to harness the power of these next-gen GPUs. Additionally, the case offers the option to vertically display the GPU using the Nzxt Vertical GPU Mounting Kit, which provides an elegant and striking visual display of your hardware. One of the standout features of the Nzxt H7 Elite is its cable management system. The case includes wide cable channels equipped with hooks, bridges, and straps, taking the guesswork out of organizing your cables. This thoughtful design keeps the interior clean and uncluttered, improving both airflow and aesthetics. Overall, the Nzxt H7 Elite mid-tower PC gaming case combines modern design, ample cooling options, and easy-to-manage cable management, making it a great choice for building a powerful, visually appealing gaming rig. Coming in at number 4, we have the Gamdias Aura GC2 mid-tower PC gaming case. The Gamdias Aura GC2 mid-tower PC gaming case is a sleek and efficient solution for gamers seeking both aesthetics and performance. Designed to enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your gaming rig, it features a panoramic tempered glass side panel that allows users to showcase the inner workings of their system. The tool-free installation of this tempered glass ensures easy access to your components, making maintenance hassle-free. One of the standout features of the Aura GC2 is its system-wide lighting synchronization. By supporting RGB connections with compatible motherboards, users can easily synchronize the lighting across the entire system with just one click. This provides a unified and dynamic lighting experience, transforming your gaming setup into an immersive environment. The case comes pre-equipped with 3+1 built-in RGB fans, each 120mm in size. These fans are designed to offer optimal airflow and cooling, displayed prominently through both the mesh front panel and the tempered glass side panel. The airflow-focused mesh front panel not only enhances cooling efficiency but also contributes to the case's modern, stealthy black design. Expandability is another key strength of the Aura GC2. It offers versatile storage options. Additionally, the case features USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports, along with HD audio and LED control options, providing excellent connectivity. The case supports a variety of motherboard sizes, including ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX, and includes 7 PCIe slots for optimal component utilization. In sum, the Gamdias Aura GC2 mid-tower gaming case delivers a well-rounded experience with its stylish design, excellent airflow, customizable lighting, and robust expandability, making it an ideal choice for gamers looking to build or upgrade their PC systems. At number 3, the Musetex NN8 mid-tower PC gaming case. The Musetex NN8 mid-tower PC gaming case is a standout option for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking for style, functionality, and efficient cooling. This case comes pre-equipped with 6 highly configurable PWMA RGB fans, which not only provide stunning customizable lighting but also ensure excellent cooling performance. Each fan offers 16.8 million colors of lighting, which can be controlled through the motherboard's 3-pin RGB interface and lighting software. The adjustable fan speeds offer the flexibility to prioritize either cooling or a quieter operation based on your needs. One of the standout features of this gaming case is its innovative side-opening tempered glass door. Unlike other designs that require screws to be removed, this case uses magnets and a metal pull ring, allowing users to easily open the door whenever needed. This design significantly improves airflow, providing 76% better cooling than traditional mid-tower cases with non-opening side panels. It also makes it easier to clean internal components such as the radiator and graphics card, reducing dust buildup and ensuring optimal performance. The Musetex NN8 offers ample space for various PC hardware components. Its large ATX mid-tower design accommodates over 95% of customers' installation needs, with room for a 280 water cooler and multiple SSD, HDD options. The case also features generous cable management space, ensuring a neat and organized setup. Additionally, the case offers multiple graphics card installation methods, including a vertical GPU mount, allowing you to showcase your powerful graphics card through the high-transparency glass panel. Finally, the Smart I/O panel design includes two USB 3.0 ports, providing excellent flexibility and faster transfer speeds for mobile and audio accessories. This case combines aesthetics, performance, and convenience, making it a top choice for gamers and PC builders. In the second spot, we have the Msi Mag Forge 112R Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. The Msi Mag Forge 112R Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case offers a sleek, modern design tailored to gaming enthusiasts and PC builders. Its symmetrical design features a mesh front panel, ensuring optimal airflow while maintaining a clean and professional aesthetic. This case comes equipped with 4 ARGB fans, providing vibrant, customizable lighting to create your own personalized ARGB battle station. The Mag Forge 112R is fully compatible with MSI Mystic Light, allowing users to synchronize their system's lighting for a unified look. One of the standout features of this case is its tool-less tempered glass side panel, which is 4 mm thick, allowing for easy access and showcasing the interior components of your build. The case also supports up to a 240 liquid cooler, making it an ideal choice for those looking to build a high-performance system with enhanced cooling capabilities. Designed with airflow in mind, the Mag Forge 112R is optimized to ensure your system remains cool during intense gaming sessions. The case can mount up to 6 fans, further enhancing the cooling potential. For added convenience, MSI includes an Insta-Light loop button, which allows you to quickly control the fan and front LED strips lighting effects with a simple press, letting you cycle through various profiles to find your favorite. Additionally, the case features a magnetic dust filter on the top vents, preventing dust buildup and making it easy to remove and clean. Whether you're building a powerful gaming rig or just looking for a stylish case with efficient cooling, the Msi Mag Forge 112R delivers on both performance and aesthetics. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lian Li O11 Vision Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. The Lian Li O11 Vision Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case is a product born from the collaboration between Lian Li and the PC Master Race community. This partnership combines Lian Li's renowned expertise in crafting high-quality, feature-rich cases with PCMR's passion for custom PC builds, offering enthusiasts a unique opportunity to create their ultimate gaming rig. One of the standout features of the O11 Vision is its seamless design. With 3 sides of tempered glass panels, the case provides an unobstructed view of your system components. Unlike traditional cases, it eliminates support columns or pillars, ensuring that every angle showcases the beauty of your build. The tempered glass panels are securely supported by a corner magnet system capable of withstanding up to 35 kilograms of force, ensuring exceptional stability. The O11 Vision also excels in cooling performance. Its 27 mm tall feet and hollowed-out fan bracket, elevated by 13 mm, allow for optimal cold air intake to keep your components cool during intense gaming sessions. Additionally, the bottom bracket supports the installation of up to 3 140 fans or 3 120 fans, offering flexibility for enhanced airflow. Internally, the O11 Vision is designed for flexibility. Builders can choose to mount 2 120 fans at the rear for improved exhaust or install a 240 radiator. Alternatively, a single 120 fan can be mounted to free up more space for a bottom radiator. The case's adjustable motherboard tray and two-way reversible side fan bracket make the building process easier, allowing for a customized aesthetic and functional setup. The Lian Li O11 Vision mid-tower PC gaming case is a perfect choice for PC enthusiasts seeking a combination of design, performance, and flexibility to bring their dream gaming system to life.